Good day everyone. Let me tell you now two concepts and then I will proceed with the sum. Okay. Now when two planes are perpendicular, the normals will also be perpendicular, right? Now for example, if you take like this, no? Now this page is one plane and this one is another plane. These two planes are perpendicular. So the normals to this plane like this, no, they will also be perpendicular. This is one concept you should know. Then supposing a plane is parallel to a line, then the normal to the plane will be perpendicular to the line. So these are the two concepts you should know. So when two planes are perpendicular, their normals are perpendicular. When one plane is parallel to a line, then the normal to the plane will be perpendicular to the line. So in both these, when two lines are perpendicular, the concept we will use is the sum of the product of the direction ratios is equal to 0. That is what we will use. Now the sum is, find the equation of a plane passing through the point 4, 2, 4 and is perpendicular to the planes 2x plus 5y plus 4z plus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 7y plus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0. So now, if you want to find the equation of the plane, you require three information. So one is a point here and two perpendicular planes are given to you. First let us assume, let the equation of the plane be, let the equation of the plane be, we will take the general form a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here you know that x1, y1, z1 is a point through which the plane passes and a, b, c are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Okay. So now this plane passes through the point, it is given, passes through 4, 2, 4, that is given in the sum. So now you have to substitute it in the place of x1, y1 and z1. So you will get a into x minus 4 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z minus 4 is equal to 0. Mark it as 1 because this is the equation of the required plane. Finally you will be finding where you will find the values of a, b, c and then substitute. Now let me write the other two planes and I will mark them as plane 2 and plane 3, right? This one I will write it as plane 2. I will write 4x plus 7y plus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0 as plane 3. Now we know plane 1 is perpendicular to plane 2, right? So now you know their normals are perpendicular. Their normals are perpendicular. Let us write the direction ratios of the normal. So drs of normal to plane 1, normal to plane 1, that is a comma b comma c. Drs of normal to plane 2, that will be 2, 5, 4. Now you know because the normals are also perpendicular, the sum of the product of the drs is equal to 0. That is the concept. Product of the drs is equal to 0. So what do we get now? 2a plus 5b plus 4c, that is equal to 0. Let us mark it as equation 4, right? So now plane 1 and 2 are perpendicular, their normals are perpendicular, so sum of the product of the drs is equal to 0. Let us use the same concept for 1 and 3. So now we will write plane 1 is perpendicular to plane 3. Therefore, their normals are perpendicular, right? Their normals are perpendicular. Drs of normal to plane 1, already you have written normal to plane 1, that is a comma B comma C, you know already. Let us write the drs of normal to plane 3. Normal to plane 3 now. Now the plane 3 equation you have here 4 comma 7 comma 6, that you write here 4 7 6. Now also you are using the same concept. Sum of the product of the drs is equal to 0. Therefore you get 4a plus 7b plus 6c is equal to 0. Mark this as 5. Now you have got 3 unknowns a, b and c. You have got 2 equations. Whenever you have like this, you have to use the rule of cross multiplication. That is, you will write a, b, c, again a and b. Now come to equation 4. In that write the coefficients 2, 5, 4, 2, 5. Come to equation 5. 4, 7, 6, 4, 7. Right? Now you have to write a by, then leave that, do as a determinant. 5, 6, 30 minus 7 into 4, 28. That is equal to b by. Right? You leave that, you come to this. So you will get 16 minus 12, sorry, 16 minus 12. Then that is equal to c by 14 minus 20. So you will get now a by 2 is equal to b by 4, that is equal to c by minus 6. The direction ratios are always proportional numbers. So you can cut and you can simplify if you can. So let us cut by 2 everything. So I will get 1 here, 2 here and minus 3 here. Equating so to some constant of proportionality k. So you will get now a is equal to k, b is equal to 2k, c is equal to minus 3k. Like this you will get the values of a, b, c in terms of k. Now what you have to do is, now the equation 1 is your main equation. So substitute there the values of this a, b, c. So for a I will get k into x minus 4 plus b is 2k into y minus 2 plus c is minus 3k. So I will write minus 3k into z minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So now the k is common in all the terms. There is 0. So cut that k. So you will get now x minus 4 plus 2y minus 4 minus 3z plus 12 is equal to 0. So x plus 2y minus 3z plus 4, okay, minus 8 and plus 12, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required plane. It's better you find the equation in vector form also. So let us write the vector form is r vector dot I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, okay, plus 4, that is equal to 0. So you have found the vector form of the equation as well as the Cartesian form of the equation. So hope you have understood this model. Now the same sum, they can give it in a different way also. Instead of giving 2 perpendicular planes, they can give 2 parallel lines. But you have to follow the same method. So this is how you have to understand how to approach a sum. You have to read it carefully. You check whether it is perpendicular to a plane or parallel to a line. Both are same. So use the same concept. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching the video. You subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notification of further videos.